Hello, morning, afternoon, and night. Hey, I got a door for my my Nissan. I just took the whole door off. It's easier. Now I'm getting ready to take this off, and it looks like you just got to unplug it and then unbolt it from the other side. Over here, I think. Yeah, there and there. Well, that should be fun to take off. Well, that was really easy. It turned out it's just them little it was just these little Phillips screws. Unplug it and take them little Phillips screws out from right there, and it comes right off, easy as pie.